all throughout the rest of the program. So if you have any questions, if you need anything, just call out my name, Gayle, spelled G-A-Y-L-E, by the way, and I'll be there as best as I can. But if you guys are like, oh, okay, let me post now, you know, downtime, whatever, all you guys also have your phones up. Do not forget to tag us at DearFacePH Official, again, at DearFacePH Official, and use our official hashtags for today, hashtag DearFaceXAndreaBroliantes, and hashtag BeautyMilkMelon. So many things in store for you. We will be launching, we already mentioned her name a couple of times already, we will be welcoming the newest ambassador, the newest face of Dear Face Philippines. How about a big round of applause, everybody, come on! I did mention so many things in store, so enough of me yapping, enough of me blabbing, because we will be welcoming the CEO, the very beautiful CEO of Dear Face as well. But before anything else though, a couple more details that you guys have to know. I mean, look around, okay? Look around, it's a melon fiesta. We got flowers, we got melon fiesta as well, because we are talking about a drink that's not just delicious, but promises to work wonders on our skin as well. So picture this, okay? Picture this. Ceramide, hydrolyzed marine collagen. What else? Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and probiotics, all packed into one refreshing gulp that we are definitely all ready to enter a new era of radiance and glow with Dear Face, with Beauty Milk Melon as well. Because this era is not just about looking beautiful on the outside, but also inside, okay? With Beauty Milk Melon that promises to do both as well. And guess what, everybody? Guess what? We have found the absolute perfect match for today's product launch as well, because we will be welcoming who? Who will we be welcoming though? Sorry? How about a big round of applause? Yeah, we will be joined by her in just a bit, and I know you guys are all very, very excited as well. Before anything else, let's learn more about Dear Face and our product highlight from the brand's very own CEO. Ladies and gentlemen, a big, warm round of applause for Miss Jonas Cizon Ramos. Come on!
Thank you so much, Mahan. Wow. Ano nga ba masasabi ko? I'm very overwhelmed. I know this very hot situation outside, but still, guys, you are here. And I'd like to thank everyone who gets here and join us as we launch the newest phase of Dear Face. So, anyway, bakit nga ba si Lion for Beauty Milk Melon? So, as you all know, all of our influencers and KOLs and celebrities, they drink and they use beauty milk. So, bakit nga ba sila umiinom ng beauty milk? And why this product is very hype online and offline. So, Beauty Milk Melon is actually a refreshing drink, and it's a beauty drink in one. As we always say, this is developed because we want a skincare in a drink. And this was developed during the pandemic, where everyone doesn't want to, they don't want to have a skincare, they don't want to apply so much skincare, and we developed it because people get so lazy, they want to drink the skincare. So that's why we came up with Beauty Milk Melon. And actually, ito yung kwento lang ni Andrea later, but magpapahaging ako. But si Light kasi before, she's friends with Bea and all the girls, and they said that no, Andrea is drinking beauty milk, and I was surprised, no, bakit siya minom ng beauty milk? So that makes sense, and that was the reason why we tapped Andrea, because she is actually drinking beauty milk. And it's over a year already, or 2 years na siya umiinom, and until now, it's her secret to her glowing skin. So thank you so much for coming. May you guys enjoy the rest of the day.
Sa totoo lang, lately nakakalulong na. Na minsan, parang gusto mo na lang sumabog. Pero at the end, it turned me into a bigger and better person. Sabi nga nila, when love gives you lemons. Wait lang, pwede mo bang huwag ng lemon? Meron mo bang iba?
Ito, lemon.
Ay, sige yan, pwede yan. When life gives you lemons, meron laging chance to become a better version of yourself. So, this is me, making a choice to take care of myself even more. Welcome to my new era.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big warm round of applause? Welcome to a new era of beauty with Dear Face and Andrea Brillantes once again. The new era of collagen is officially here. Put your arms up. Let's all give it up for Dear Face's newest ambassador, Andrea Brillantes. Come on, everybody. How about a big round of applause? Come on. Oh my gosh. Hi. My name's Gail, by the way. I shake your neck like it's kind of low right now, but welcome to the show, or actually welcome to everybody as well. We are joined by, of course, Dear Face's newest ambassador. Everybody say hello. Give a wave as well, Andrea Brillantes.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. Thank you all so much for being here with us. And of course, kay Miss Jonah, thank you so much po sa welcome sa akin sa bagong family na ito, ang Dear Face family. I'm so happy po talaga kasi gumagamit po talaga ako ng beauty milk bago pa ako na kasama sa family na to. So I'm really happy and excited.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
There you have it. But once again, ladies and gentlemen, big warm round of applause. Come on. Once again, welcome to our Dear Face's new ambassador. How about a quick hello to everybody? How are you feeling? I know it's been very, very hot the past couple of days. Pati kanina nung naglalakad ka papasok eh, alam ko sobrang init na. Kamusta naman the past couple of days for you?
Well, wala tayong choice sa Philippines tayo.
Sure.
Mainit talaga dito sa Philippines. Pero as long as blooming naman ako dahil sa beauty milk, okay lang naman. Kine-carry ko yung heat.
There you have it. Now, if you do have any questions for Andrea Brillantes, we are joined by a couple of guests as well as friends from the media. We will be hearing from you as well. But for now, I'd like to invite Miss Jonah and Andrea. Come on, be comfortable, sit down. We're gonna open the floor to our media partners. Okay? If you have any questions for Andrea, bakit siya ganito ka-blooming? Meron ba okay, mamaya na yon. May magtatanong noon on our behalf. But anyway, opening the floor and saying hello to Kate Adahar of Random Republica to start our Q&A portion with Miss Jonah and of course, Miss Andrea Brillantes. Both of you can answer, by the way. Here we go.
Congratulations, Andrea. Yung question ko is, as was mentioned earlier with Ms. Jonah, that you've been drinking beauty milk even before you were that before. So, ano yung story behind it? How did you discover it? Why were you
Nung una ko po kasi siya nakita sa feed ko, honestly, parang na-curious ako and natuwa ako kasi it's two things that I love, which is milk. Mahilig ko kasi talaga, magatas po talaga ako kapag bago matulog. And pangalawa, mahilig ako sa mga bagay na nakakapagpaganda sa atin. So, syempre nung nakita ko na, oh my gosh, ano siya, flavored milk. Tapos, nakakapagpaganda pa siya, it has collagen. Tapos, ang dami kasi nagsasabi na nakakatulong din siya, hindi lang magpaganda ng skin, at saka hindi lang siya para anti-aging, nakakatulong din siya makapag-sleep. So, tinitake ko din po siya before ako matulog. So, ever since noon, in-order ko siya, tapos nung tinry ko, ang sarap-sarap niya. So, of course, naubos na siya agad. Naubos na siya agad. So, nag-order ulit ako. Tapos, parang, every day, every night na ilang months na po ako user. Actually, mag-1 year na po yata ako gumagamit bago pa ako nakuha ni Miss Jonah. So, yeah.
How did she find it?
Oh, well, it's because of Bea Bore.
Yes!
The best friend.
Hi, Bea!
Si Bea kasi before, nakita lang din namin siya sa TikTok and then tinapa namin siya because she was drinking beauty milk. is drinking your beauty milk. And I was so kilig. Sabi ko, wow. Tapos from then on, parang hindi na ako napakali. Gusto ko siyang kunin kasi she represents talaga beauty milk and also the Dear Face.
There you have it. She does represent Beauty Milk rather, and we are so happy that she is here with us at the moment and for the next couple of, I don't know, but hey, keeping it going to Jojo Panaligan of Rider PH.
Hello po.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Gaano mo nakakatagal ito ginagamit itong beauty milk? Pati specifically, ano napansin mo sa skin mo when you started using it?
Tulad po na sabi ko kanina, I think mag-1 year na po or baka, hindi, naka 1 year na ako. Kasi this time last year ko siya na-discover. Kasi nag-start siya sa gusto ko lang maging mas maganda. At saka gusto ko makatulog. So, tapos, nag-discover ko siya this time last year. Tapos yun nga, parang nakita ko agad yung effects niya. Nag-start siya sa, napansin ko, mas mahibig yung tulog ko. Tapos kinaumagahan, parang mas glowing ako, parang mas blooming ako, ganyan. Tapos nakakatulog. Collagen kasi is protein siya. I think 30% of our body yata meron nun. So kailangan talaga natin siya. Yes, alam ko ang collagen. Tapos nakakatulong din siya sa anti-aging. Marami po siyang benefits. So ako, kinontinue ko lang siya lagi. Tapos lagi ako nasasabihan na, uy, parang mag-blooming mo ngayon. Tapos lagi ko sinasabi ito kasi lagi ko tinitake. Consistent po talaga ako. Ever since nung nag-try ko siya, kahit po pumupunta ako sa ibang bansa, dala-dala ko po siya sa maleta ko. And alam yun ng ate ko, alam yun ni Bea. Nag-start din siya, nag-order ako. Tapos, kasi lagi ko siya nauubos. So, minsan nung kumuha ko ng stocks ni Bea. So, minsan nung hiningi na siya. Yun po. Nami ko agad kinento. Thank you.
There you have it. Keep the ball rolling though. Josephine Bonsall of josephinebonsall.com.
Hi po.
Hello! Congratulations,
Thank you po.
Vlad.
Thank you.
It's been, kasi nasublan ka namin mula bata ka pa.
Ah.
Did you dream of endorsing a beauty milk?
Yes! Yes, nung malaki po kasi influence talaga ng friend ko. So, pag nakikita ko, lagi ko siya sabi sa sarili ko, sana kunin nila ako kasi gumagamit talaga ako. At saka bilang endorser po kasi parang yun yung pinakagusto mo sana, yung lagi mong ginagamit ay kunin ka para mas effective. At saka alam mo yun, mas proud ka na in-endorse mo yung bagay na to. So, ang gusto ko po talaga. At saka kasi para makasave din ako kasi parang 3 times a month po ako bumibili. So, para meron na din po ako sariling stock. So, ayun. So, gusto ko po talaga sana makuha ako ng Dear Face. Kaya super happy ako na party na ako ngayon. Parang na-manifest ko po. Kaya kayo, huwag kayong tumigil mag-manifest. 1 year din ako nag-manifest.
1 year order.
Opo, 1 year din ako order ng order.
Miss Jonah though, piggybacking off of that, when was like the, oh my gosh, kailangan natin kunin si Andrea Brillantes. When was that like snap?
Well, actually, it was a random, Bea and I were doing a vlog. And it was a random parang question na parang, si Blight ba? Is she endorsing collagen? Ganyan. Sabi niya, from Bea Boris, naku ate! Sabi ganun-ganun. She's using beauty milk and she's getting stocks from me. Ganun-ganun.
Kopya niyo po siya.
Yeah, kabisado na natin si Bea. But from then, actually, I was really shocked kasi it's actually Blight there. And you know, I was happy knowing that real people uses beauty milk, and that's not because they are endorsing it, but because they're loving the effect. So yun yung parang actually that's the stand of Dear Face also, and also the beauty milk. Na we're getting influencers, KOL celebrities because they are using our products, not because we want them to use our products. That's the other way around. And in Dear Face, we always live in honesty. So, pagka sinabi namin, gumagamit
Pilipinas prior us tapping them. So ayan, super proud lang.
Tsaka ang sarap din kasi talaga niya. Na-try nyo na ba? Try nyo, ang sarap niya. Promise.
Diba? Very perfect talaga. Perfect for Dear Face and Beauty Milk. Well, we are down to the last 2 questions from our media partners, to Ms. Dina Chen of Business Mirror.
Oh, hello po.
My question is, I'm sure you have many offers for endorsements and ambassadorships. Why, aside from you already using it, what is it about the brand that you get? Ano yung nagustuhan mo sa brand, aside from yung lasa ng mga effects it has on?
Well, I think dahil naniniwala lang po talaga ako sa product, and I think that's enough reason para gustuhin ko po talagang i-endorse yung product ng Dear Face kasi naniniwala po ako sa effects niya kasi gumana naman siya sa akin. Masasabi ko naman po. So, ayun po, naniniwala lang po talaga ako sa product ng beauty milk ng Dear Face. Kaya gusto ko po talaga siya ma-endorse. Tsaka, ayun, gusto kasi talaga siya. Thank you po.
Down to the last question though, from John Bueno of Kumagao.com.
Hi, Blair. How are you?
I'm okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
I've seen you in, of course, previous endorsements. What makes this stand out for you, the brand itself?
I think parang it's new to me kasi ako personally nung nakita ko siya, parang bago siyang product for me. And nasa beauty industry din po ako.
Yes.
Very involved ako sa anything kikay. Ganyan. So nung nakita ko to, parang it's refreshing to my eyes din na parang gatas na nagpapaganda, may benefits, hindi lang sa pagpapaganda kundi sa mismong body mo as well sa health mo. At nakaka-glow, nakaka-whitening, nakaka-slimming. So parang all-in-one siyang product. So parang bago lang siya for me. Kaya yun yung tingin ko na parang nag-boost sa product kung bakit iba siya sa iba po yun.
But can you make kwento siguro? How do you take beauty milk?
Every night. Every night po ako. At may one time pa nga na nag-try ako mag-diet. So medyo nagbawas ako ng sweets. Ito na yung naging sweets ko kasi ang tamis niya. So parang every night ito na yung parang ginagawa ko ng dessert actually. So every night nag-take po ako ng isa. Kapag nakakalimutan ko po sa gabi kasi minsan pagod po from taping. Nag-take po ako sa morning. Una ko po siyang tinitake sa morning. Tapos bago po matulog, ito po yung last kong tinitake. Minsan twice, minsan once a day lang po. Depende kung gaano ako kapagod. Kaya kapag alam kong super pagod ako and meron akong event, kinabukasan, nag-twice a day po ako para mas glowing ako. Mas may konting blooming ako sa event ko. Kasi, syempre, pag pagod tayo, hindi natin may iwasan na minsan mas kita yung eye bags natin o kaya mas dull yung skin natin. Kahit hindi naman normally ganun, pero dahil napagod tayo, kailangan natin ng konting push. So, nag-twice a day ako. Thank you!
There you have it once again, ladies.